with great honor and great joy to welcome all of you to City Hall today because we're celebrating the very first time International Mother Language Day. So, with that said, I want to introduce my board member, Tariq Islam. Without him, I would not know the significance of this holiday. So,
hello everyone. Thank you for being here.
this Mother Language Day is a very important day. Simply because of globalization, every 2 weeks, a language disappears. A language totally disappears. Just like those endangered species disappears. Now, as a former business English teacher and a former ESL instructor, and was a licensed audiologist who specialized in speech pathology, I cannot tell you how much this holiday, this day means to me personally. Okay? Simply because language is not just a language. It carries a culture, our heritage. It's not just for communication. It's everything that embodies who we are. That's why the United Nations actually declared February 21st as the International Mother Language Day. And so now we get to celebrate together, especially for the very first time at City Hall. That's why we are so very happy and honored to have all of you here tonight to help us celebrate.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First, thank you very much for being here all together. I know you all are busy. Today's Friday, and despite of everything, you are here. That means a lot for us. Well, my name is Tariq Islam, and I'm the board member of Diversity Committee. Tonight, we are going to celebrate 21st February, which is International Mother Language Day. But today we are not only celebrating Mother Language Day, also encouraging cultural diversity and intercultural dialogue. We are here to encourage cooperation and the cultural heritage, mobilizing and unifying sustainable cultural diversity for us and our future generation. Well, I'm not going to take enough too long. I'd like to thank some of the people without their help and with your help. Quite impossible to be here and have a successful program. First of all, I'd like to thank you, Chai Man Chen. She's the director of the Asian Relationship Committee. All the city hall board members, employees, for their hard work, and my beloved community members. Without them, I think it would be quite impossible to have a good program. Thank you, everyone. Also, thank you very much, Margaret Wang and Associate, for their support. Thank you, Stefan Batch, and thank you, everyone. I hope you guys will enjoy our wonderful cultural program and also our authentic Bengali food. Thank you very much. Enjoy the evening.
Oh,